This one-of-a-kind electric folding scooter is leaps and bounds above the rest. At 44 pounds, it's compact and portable, perfect for whenever you are on the go. With no assembly required, it sets up in seconds. The rust-free, durable, aluminum frame can hold a rider up to 350 pounds. The innovative Triaxe Sport is sleek and sporty, with the user controls all within easy reach. The half-twist grip throttle and electric handbrake are simple to use. The LED headlight and shock absorbers were added for your convenience. With this new freedom, you can take in the views, breathe in the fresh air, and simply enjoy life. The Triaxe Sport can take you to all the places you want to go. The handy luggage rack is unique to the Triaxe Sport and can hold a full-size suitcase or cooler. Manage your ride with the 2-speed switch that will take you from 0 to 12 miles per hour. Its powerful battery can travel up to 35 miles on a single charge. The optional travel battery is approved for use on airlines. Protect your Triaxe Sport with the optional soft travel bag. The Triaxe Sport is available in 6 limited edition colors. If you're looking for a convenient, portable, lightweight scooter that outshines the rest, look no further. Call your local Triaxe dealer today to begin your path to a happier, more mobile future. Enhance your mobility, enhance your life.
Enhance mobility, enhance your life.